This really should be built into every desk to have the extra electrical outlets and USB-C, but because it's not, this is probably the next best thing. Works really well. It looks nice on a desk, and it's nice and secure when you clamp it down, so you don't have to worry about it moving around, or when you plug something in or unplug it. Like if you have a power strip or a power tower, you can have to hold one side to make sure you don't push it over while you plug something in. With that, you don't have to worry about it. You just plug something in, pull it out when you're done. Really nice. This was sent to me so I could make this video. Here you can kind of see how it works. You just have this that screws onto your desk. The cord, plenty long for just about wherever you want to plug it in. The really nice thing I like about this though is that it does have two USB-C and two USB-A, so you can just plug in quite a bit of things to it. It stays on the desk, it doesn't move around, you don't have to worry about it wobbling when you plug or unplug something. Really, there's not a whole lot to this other than I think it looks like a slick design. All of the outlets work just fine. It does have 6 outlets, so you can plug in a lot of things, even if you have like the large wall warts or something like that. I like this on my desk because I'm testing things out. I bring things to my desk all of the time just to power things up and things like that, and so it's nice that I have the 4 USB ports. I can use that for charging, and then I have the outlet, so if I'm testing a computer or something like that, I can just plug it into this nice and quick. Just makes my life easier. Every desk should come with one of these.